Hello everyone and welcome back to DYD Auto. Today we're reviewing the 2026 MAN eTGX electric truck, a heavy-duty zero-emission semi-trailer tractor built for modern long-haul logistics. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll dive into what's new in this model, how it performs, how suitable it is for real-world operations, and whether it represents the future of heavy haulage. Let's begin with an overview. The MAN eTGX is part of MAN's electric truck lineup, designed to handle large loads and long distances with a modular battery system and high-volume trailer compatibility. With a semi-trailer chassis, it's built to carry serious freight while delivering zero tailpipe emissions. What's new for this variant? The eTGX features a modular battery architecture with up to 6 battery packs enabling capacities around 480, 534 kW, and a range of approximately 500 kilometers in suitable conditions. Charging is quick via CCS up to 375 kilowatts and even up to 750 kilowatts on the megawatt charging system option, making it realistic for high utilization operations. Next, let's talk performance and positioning. While exact pricing remains exceptional, the eTGX is clearly targeting the premium sector of heavy haulage. With reported motor outputs up to approximately 400 kW, short wheelbase for ultra semi-trailer compatibility, and design aimed at volume loads, it offers a compelling package for fleets moving toward electrification. Driver comfort and cargo usability matter just as much. Inside, the eTGX offers a familiar cab environment for MAN drivers, but with the advantages of electric drive, quieter, smoother, and ideal for long shifts. Meanwhile, the ultra-lowliner variant supports trailer interior height up to 3 meters, meaning you don't compromise on volume. Range, charging, and operating economy are critical for heavy haulage. In real-world testing, a MAN eTGX completed a 3,400-kilometer Arctic Circle journey with an average consumption of about 117 kwash per 100 kilometers in ranges between 400 and 500 kilometers. That shows electric trucking is viable for demanding routes today. Connectivity, fleet services, and uptime support are built in. MAN offers a 360 degrees e-mobility package, remote monitoring, service contracts, and a qualified service network for trucks. For fleets replacing diesel tractors, the support ecosystem is just as important as the vehicle itself. Of course, there are trade-offs. The upfront cost is higher than a diesel equivalent. Charging infrastructure must be available, and your mission profile must leverage the electric capability. If you're running heavy loads, high utilization, and have the charging network, the eTGX makes sense. If not, diesel may still be simpler today. In summary, the 2026 MAN eTGX electric truck delivers a strong vision of heavy haul electrification, combining long range, high performance, modern connectivity, and zero emissions in one package. For fleets ready to evolve, this could be a pivotal choice. In conclusion, if you're looking to future-proof your freight operations, reduce emissions, and adopt electric heavy haulage without compromise, the MAN eTGX is worth serious attention. Thanks for watching DYD Auto. If you found this review helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below about electric trucks in the heavy-duty sector. We'll see you in the next video.